What is up, tubers? This is Superdell, and yes, I'm back with an updated video about FireSend. So some of y'all may know, some of y'all might have not known, but FireSend was down for a couple of days. Okay, shout out to LJ who actually let me know that it wasn't working. And then we're gonna have people that finally tune into this video and says, what is FireSend? So FireSend, before we get into everything, FireSend is a sharing application, and it is very, very user friendly. Not only can you set up a store for yourself, and that way you set up your devices, you can actually set up a store for people outside of your home and just give them the code. It is very, very user friendly. For me, I like user friendly. Shout out to Downloader, shout out to Send Anywhere, shout out to Explore. But sometimes you just want something that's a little bit user friendly, and that way you can set up someone else's device while you sitting on your couch. It is that easy. So before I get into it, if you're not subscribed to the channel, definitely subscribe to the channel. Share this video in your groups because I look at my analytics and a lot of people share my videos. Also, thumbs up the video and click that bell icon and select all. That way you get notified anytime I release any content on YouTube. So let's get back into it. FireSend was down for a couple days. And so I released this video that I did yesterday on August the 18th saying, hey, I hope we did not lose FireSend because we done lost file link, we done lost APK time, we done lost a lot of different applications that help us to actually make us stable in setting these devices up. And so again, we got FireSend, you had Unlink, Download. So those are some really Download. Download is probably the most popular right now to use. But like I always tell you, you need to have options. And that way, when apps go down, like you see on your screen right now, like right here, this is what we were getting yesterday. But when you follow me, I actually show you and teach you how to have and put your applications on a thumb drive. You can put it up in your cloud. If you got a Gmail, you get 15 gigabytes of free space that a lot of y'all don't even use. Some of y'all got 3 or 4 different accounts and you don't even use the free storage. They give you, for each email, they give you 15 gigabytes where you can set up and you can just store your apps right there, and you can go on there and sign in and go right to your Google Drive and set up your devices. It's as simple as that. So finally we got some good news, all right? I guess the crew from FireSend might have heard me. At least I hope they heard me. And shout out to them because I think Doc Squiffy actually handed it over. And here, if you look on my device right here, okay, this is Google TV. And as you see, it's Google TV. As you see right here, at least my picture is in the way. All right. So you see Google TV is right there. Okay. And I can go down to FireSend on this Android device, and let me click in here because yesterday it was giving us some problems. All right, and so here it is. And the beauty about this is why I love this. So if I wanted to set somebody up, I can easily just go in here on my computer, on my Chromebook, on my Android tablet, and just set it up. I mean, it is that easy to do. And just tell somebody, okay, here go the code, go ahead and install the applications. But so we got the app back working, and also the website is back open. Actually, you see my room right here. I do have an account, easy as heck. Use you can use a generic Gmail account, set it up, and just store your applications on there. So when you go and you start setting up your device, you can go into it, just install, go to the Play Store, right? You can go to the Play Store. Let me hit the home button. Play Store. Just go into the Play Store, just like it's about to do right here, and you can go and install FireSend. And whatever code you gave yourself or you given to somebody, it'll be so easy. That's all you have to do, man. When I tell you it is easy, it is very, very easy. So I'm going to just go with Fire. And there it is right there. All right, so if I click on it, I can open it up and then go from there. So we got some good news, man. This is by far the best user-friendly sharing application we have, because you ain't got to do 4 or 5 clicks or anything like that. You can straight up just open up this bad boy just like this. If you got your code, you can go up in here. You can put your code in, or you can give somebody 24 hours. And again, if you want to set up using your computer to do the lifetime for yourself, you can do it. Down here, you see it. Each of the applications have up to 1 gig. So, and we know these third-party applications are not even nowhere near 1 gig. But it's free to create, and things like that, man. For the lifetime, you get up to 1 gig, but for the 24 hours is up to 500. That's more than enough room to set up these devices and things like that, man. And listen, I'll tell you like this. If you need me to do a video on setting this up, let me know. I'm going to do one anyway, but I need y'all involvement to sit back and be like, yo, Dale, we need it, and I will do it. It is that easy. It is that easy. Let me say that again. It is that easy. And again, it can be for you and it can be for your people. I'm telling you, you can just tell the people, hey, man, listen, for the hustlers out there, you can say, hey, yo, I'll set you up, but I'm going to have you go through everything. I'm going to have you go through the process and just have them go through the process. Yeah, you'll make your money, but you ain't doing the hard work. You can have them do it. They can sign into their own device, but I understand if you don't want to either. I definitely understand. But here we have it, man. We're back up. We're back going, and I am very, very happy, all right? Because, again, I like this application. It is very, very nice. Let me know your thoughts, man. We are back in the building. This is Superdell. I'm letting you know. I'm giving you a little game. You can continue to use Downloader as you want, but how about you build your own, okay? Get your applications and build your own. Let me say that one more time. Get your applications and build your own app store. I'm telling you, it would be so much easier where you ain't got to rely on somebody else, all right? That's the last thing I want you to do. Salute to everybody again. If you're not subscribed to the channel, definitely subscribe. Share this video. Thumbs up the video. Also, click that bell icon. That way you get notification whenever I do anything on YouTube. But again, let me know yours. Is this your favorite app? What is your best your file sharing applications? Let me know in the comments. Salute. Y'all be safe. This is Superdell. I am out. Peace.